We are WEBA and welcome back to a new video. As many of you already know, on this channel we create tutorials to solve common problems with electric devices. And today we're working with a printer. And many of you may have this issue. Your computer shows that your printer has not ink, or that it cannot print anymore even after replacing the cartridges. The problem continues, everything looks correct, the cartridges are installed properly and they are full, but the system still says that there is no ink. Okay, so why this happens? This usually happens because the printer get confused. It has previous cartridges, now it has new ones, or maybe you changed your ink type and the printer did not properly detect it. So in this video I will show you how to reset your printer. This will allow it to recognize the cartridges again and print normally. Step number 1, preparation. First, make sure your printer is not connected to your computer. It should only be connected to the power source, not USB connection. Step number 2, bottoms. Now we are going to focus on this area. We have 2 bottoms. These methods apply to Canon PIXMA printers. Step number 3, reset process. First step, turn off the printer completely. Now turn it on while holding this bottom at the same time. Press the other bottom 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release. The printer will begin the reset process. Now we are going to wait. If it is normal, if the printer prints something during the process, just let it continue. Wait until the light becomes stable. Okay, step number 4, second sequence. Once the light is stable, press the same bottom again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn off the printer. And the expected results, the printer should print a pitch similar to this one, and it should shows 000. That's 0. Okay, so this confirms that the reset was successfully done. If it does not work, sometimes the process may freeze or not complete. If that happens, turn off the printer completely and repeat the process again. Turn it on and press 5 times, wait, and then repeat this sequence. Once the page prints correctly, your printer is fully reset. This means you can now print again without issue. Welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to see how to print a test page to check the condition of your ink cartridges. Previously I printed this test and I noticed that the black color was not working correctly. Because of that, the other colors were also affected. So the question is how to run this test and how we check which ink is causing the problem. Well, in this video I will show you exactly how to do it, and in the next video I will show you how to fix the black ink issue. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, let us go to the printer. As you can see, the printer has 2 bottoms here. Now before we continue, I want to make something very clear. My printer is not connected to a computer, so if your printer is connected, I recommend that you disconnect it for now. We are going to dive into the essential of this video. Go to this bottom, press and hold it 2 times. Okay, so 1, 2, then release it. The printer will automatically start printing a test page. Okay, so now we are going to look at the result, and as you can see, the black ink is barely printed. That confirmed the issue. Compared to the previous test, it might look slightly better, but it still has problems. This method allows you to, first of all, check your ink cartridges without using any software and without connecting to a computer. Everything is done manually directly from the printer. This method was tested on Canon PIXMA printers, and for Epson printers the process may be different. But if you have Linux like me, this method can help you out a lot. In today's video I will teach how to to fix the problem when your printer does not print a specific color. In the previous video, we showed how to run an ink test. The black color had many issues, so today I will show you how to fix that problem so your printer can print black ink again. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and dive into this video. You will need few things: a syringe, preferably a new one, ink, original or generic, gloves, that is optional but recommended, a small container or dip plate, wipe or paper towel. Okay, so important note, original ink is always better. It is more expensive, but at the long run it is going to give you better performance. Generic ink can work, but it may damage your printer, so keep that in mind. Step number 1, open the printer. You will now see the internal components. Move the cartridge holder to the center and open the cover. Now you have access to it. Okay, so step number 2, remove the cartridge. Now remove the black cartridge. In my case, I will use gloves, but keep in mind that your hands can get dirty. Once removed, clean it gently with a wipe or paper. Make sure it is not heavily dirty. Okay, so why this happened? There are two main reasons why a cartridge does not print. First of all, it is empty or it is clogged. So we are going to fix both. Now fill the syringe with ink. Try to remove air from the syringe. If a little ink comes out, just clean the needle. Now insert the syringe into the cartridge and slowly fill it. You can fill it more than I did, just be careful. Okay, step number 4, remove air and unclog. Now comes a very important step. Place the cartridge on a wet wipe or paper. Take a syringe again and pull air from the cartridge. Place the syringe tip on the cartridge opening and apply pressure. Repeat this process until ink starts coming out. Sometimes it is a little bit difficult because there is not adapter, but keep trying until you see ink flowing. Clean the cartridge and repeat one more time if needed. Step number 5, reinstall. Once the ink is flowing correctly, place the cartridge back into the printer. And step number 6, final process. Now we will extract a little ink from the system. There is a small bulb. When it is down, ink can flow. When it is up, it is blocked. Place the syringe on the ink output and gently pull. This will help the ink circulate properly. Okay, so step number 7, close everything properly, close the covers and shut the printer. Reminder, if you did not use gloves, your hands may look like this. Now let us run the ink test again. Press the button, wait for 2 flashes and release. The printer will print the test page. If the printer starts blinking, turn it off and turn it on again. Wait until it's stable, then repeat the test. Now look at the result. The black color is printed correctly, no missing lines, no errors, everything is working correctly. Compare it with before. The difference is clear. Extra tip, the same process works for all colors of the printer, so keep that in mind. For best results, it's recommended to clean all cartridges at the same time. And that is for today's video. I hope this video helps you a lot and solved your problem. If it did, please leave us a like, leave a comment and share this video. Your support helps us to reach more people. Remember, we are WEBA, and thank you so much for watching the new video. Have a nice day.